Story, I was reading about a Pinoy who went to the States for the very first time. And when he was in America, he went to a mall. In the mall, he went to the toilet. And when he was in the toilet, the first stall, the first cubicle, somebody was there. So he took the other cubicle. I'm sorry for this toilet humor. But anyway, he was in one cubicle, and the person in the other cubicle said, "Hi, how are you?" Gulat siya. Ganito ba sa Amerika? Hindi ko kilala sa kabila. Binabangti ako. He felt so strange. But anyway, he decided to greet him because maybe this is how they do it in America. So he said, "I'm fine. I'm Pinoy. Tourist." And then, narinig niya, the other guy said, "Hey, I've got to hang up now. There's this crazy guy on the other side of the store who keeps on answering me. Whenever I talk to you." You know, you think that people are talking about you, against you. You know what? They're not talking to you. They're not talking about you. Everybody, tell somebody beside you, huwag ka maging conscious. Number 3 symptom of insecurity, envy. Everybody say envy.
Envy.
You know, it's funny.
Nakuha niyo ang number 1?
When you compare for women, you compare, ay, ang ganda ng buhok niya, aking pangit, ay, ang ganda ng may putis niya, oh, smooth na smooth ako, buwan, ano, ay, ang ganda lang, diba? We compare height, we compare weight, we compare breast size, we compare all sorts of things. It's true. Women, admit it, many of us, not me, but, you know, guys, they compare the size of your salary, the size of your car, we compare all sorts of things and we feel envious. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, huwag ka na mainggit.
Huwag ka na mainggit.
You are so blessed. We always like to look at what the other person has. But insecurity